Hara Hara Mahadeva. Let's learn about the sixth Nama, Varadaya Namaha. The name Varada comes from Sanskrit. Vara means boon, blessing, a divine gift. Daya means a giver. Together, Varadaya means the one who grants boons. When we chant this name, we recognize Lord Shiva as the most compassionate giver who blesses devotees according to their devotion and purity of the heart. As Varada, Lord Shiva grants not only material blessings but also spiritual boons such as wisdom, detachment, and liberation. Many great devotees like Markandeya, Bhasmasura, and the sages received boons from Shiva, showing his boundless generosity. Shiva gives freely, but his boons are always meant to guide the soul towards truth and growth. Open hand of blessing, symbol of divine grace. Ashutosha, nothing but easily pleased, responds quickly to sincere prayers. Balanced giver, grants boons that ultimately lead to higher awareness. On an inner level, Varada reminds us that the greatest blessing is inner peace and clarity. Chanting Om Varadaya Namaha cultivates gratitude, faith, and surrender, opening our heart to divine grace. This name teaches us to ask with humility, not ego. Trust divine timing. Value spiritual growth over temporary desires. Hara Hara Mahadeva. Thank you.